On this morning, family, Black Phoenix checking in outside the job site right now. About to get my hog on here in a minute. Just up drinking my coffee, get myself together. I mean, I was asked a small question about protecting myself and investing money to make sure that I'm safe when I'm on the job, and what should a person invest in. I always say it's to each his own, because everybody have their own preference, but you should at least find a middle ground and get you a good harness, some decent leathers, you know, a good hood, a good hard hat, or whatever you need, and some knee pads, whatever the things that you need to make sure that your job is easier. Keep that in mind, because if you got everything you need, your job is going to be easier. And here go my harness, so that way you can see what I got. I have an exo fit. So if anyone knows what an exo fit is, an exo fit going to run you starting off around $500. And when you get this harness, it can keep you alive, honestly. If you get in a bind, it can keep you safe if you wear it properly. So this is why I bought it. And, you know, I believe in investing my money in my livelihood. And this is what I got. This is my harness. I pretty much got 2 bags on it to hold, you know, tape measure, this and that. You know, I got for my spuds, I got my rod pouch on here, as you see. A chipper hammer, landers, and these are some good landers too. That way, if you're using a hammer or you're using something and you weigh in the air, you want to use these. That way it won't fall, hit the ground, and possibly kill somebody. So I got me a double lander. These are very good and they pretty long. And these leathers, no lie, I bought these leathers right here. I got 2 pair. These is my leathers when I first entered the game. When I got out of prison, these was the first leathers that I bought, you know, in the field, that I had to do some field work. And I still got them. My apron used to be longer, but I cut it, so, because I didn't like it really that long. But, you know, a few buttons and stuff then got messed up on there, but it's excellent. And I use it when I got to use it, as you see. Look, if that would have been my skin, it would have been a bad situation. So it's good to have your leathers, man. And like I say, just some normal stuff, man. Just invest in the normal equipment. Like I said, you can get this stuff used, getting started, get it used. You don't have to go all the way out. Buy it used. And once you get your money up, then go buy it new. But just be aware of what you need to make money. Hog on.